Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine. Today lecture is related to the culture of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the topic is policies for women participation socio-political affairs of Pakistan. We have to discuss the women participation under the devolution plan which were introduced by the Pervez Musharraf in 2000. According to devolution plan, sharing of women in national affairs, progress and development of the female population. There is the setup of the different type of the plans which was started under the devolution plan in 2000. In the Union Council, the Union Council according to devolution plan comprised of 21 members and the 6 seats were out of which 2 seats were the Kisan female members. Especially in the devolution plan in the Union Council we have to discuss the participation of the female workers. These women working as the peasants are the agriculture laborers. In district council, 33% women representation and the representation of the women for the development of the rural area according to devolution plan. So there is the quota of women in the legislative assemblies at the provincial and the federal level. Women have a participation in the provincial as well as in the legislative assemblies. Just for the progress and development of the female. Then there is the APWA, All Pakistan Women Association. All Pakistan Women Association is started according to the devolution plan for the development, for the participation of the women in the different fields of life, like the working to safeguard the social and the political rights of the women. That how the women participated in the national affairs at the federal level. And in this way that the women can brought changes for the development of the women in Pakistan. Now we have to discuss the exercise of the chapter number 6. There is the answer of the each blank. Number 1, the blank. Number 1 answer of the blank is Arnold Toynbee. Number 2, Indus. Number 3, Middle East. Number 4, 712 AD. Number 5, Gandhara. Then the part number 2 of the fill in the blanks. Number 1, 16. Number 2, Sahiwal. Number 3, 96. And the number 4, 19, 18. Number 5, Apwa. Then there is the true and the false statement and the answers are number 1 false, number 2 true, number 3 true, number 4 true, number 5 true. Then the put right parts together and the answers are there is the column A and B. Only the answers are given. Number 1 study of history, number 2 Tariqul Ibar. Number 3, Ekmenian. Number 4, Sawat. Number 5, Debal. There are the short question and answers. And the number 1, that the short question, give brief historical background of the Pakistani culture. And the answer is tradition of civilized living in this land is as old as history itself. The magnificent Indus Valley civilization flourished in this land. Remains of this civilization that are now being unearthed at the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Texla, the elegant headquarters of the Gandhara rulers, became the center of the knowledge and learning. You have to underline the answer and the page number is given. So for the page number is 115 is given for the short question number 1. You have to underline the answer on the page 115. Number 2, what do you know about Code DG? Page number 116. Code DG is located in the province of Sindh at a distance of about 24 km from Khairpur. Excavations at this site started in November 1955. First authentic information about the pre-Harappa settlement of the Indus Valley were acquired from the relics found at Code DG. You have to find out the answer at the page number 116. Then there is the answer for the question number 3. And the question number 3 is, what is the significance of Harappa in the cultural heritage of Pakistan? Answer is on the page number 116. Harappa is located at a distance of about 20 kilometers from Sahiwal, a district headquarter in the Punjab, 180 km from Lahore. Remains of the city reveal interesting details about a very developed civic life, astonishingly modern for its age. Now the question number 4. What do you know about the ancient city of Mansoura? And the answer is, you can find out the answer at the page number 117. Mansoura, answer is, Mansoura was the city founded by the Arabs after they occupied Sindh. The city had a strong fortification around with 4 gateways. There was a magnificent mosque erected in the center of the city. It was founded by Muhammad bin Qasim's son Umar and named Mansoura to commemorate his round of victories. Mansoura is an Arabic word which literally means success. Excavations carried out at Dalur between 1922-22 have revealed Arab coins, the remains of a mosque, and certain other relics. Now, the question number 5. Enlist salient characteristic features of the Muslim architect at the page number 118. You can find out the answer at the page number 118. That the answer is, the answer of the question number 5 is that the following are the distinctive architectural features. Number 1, openness, which symbolizes Muslim broad-mindedness, tolerance, and enlightenment. Number 2, balance and coherence, which is the basic principle of the Islamic way of life. Number 3, use of vertical lines instead of horizontal lines, which gives the building an air of loftiness, drive, and upward motion. This is all about the short question. This is your assignment to find out the answer of the short question. Underline the answer of the short question on the page number which is given in the slides. Now we have to discuss the long question. That the question number 1, the long question, define culture. And the page number is given. Page number is given for the long question, for the answer of the long question. Number 1, define culture, elaborates its importance in a human life. And only the first 2 words and the last few words are given in the slides. You have to underline the answer on the page number 113 and 114, that the define culture elaborates its importance in the human life, and the answer is started from the definition, and the culture is a vast term, so is ended as the Pakistani nationalism and the culture as Pakistani culture. Number 2, question number 2, write an essay on fine arts in Pakistan. There is a question number 2, give a summary of the timely findings regarding the culture of our area. That on the page number, answer is on the page number 114 and 115. Answer is started from Arnold Toynbee is the most eminent, and the last sentence of the answer is settled in the Middle East. You can find out the answer at the page number which is given against the question. Now the question number 3, that the question number 3 is, write an essay on the fine arts in Pakistan on the page number 118 to 120, and the answer is started from essayists from all over the world, and the 2, hockey, cricket, and squash. And you have to underline the answer on the page number which is mentioned. And the question number 4. That the question number 4, what are the cultural characteristics common among different parts of Pakistan? And the page number answer is given on the page number 120 to 21. And the answer is religious unity more than 96%. From religious unity more than 96% to relatives for 3 days. You have to underline the answer on the page number, mention page number. Then the question number 5, long question number 5, culture of the Pakistan with reference to Mohenjo-daro, Texla and Gandhara on the page number 116 and 17. And the answer is started from Mohenjo-daro is a Sindhi word to archaeological and religious interest. Then the question number 6. Why gender equity is essential for the creation of a cultured society? On the page number, answer is on the page number 122 to 123. Answer is for the building of a just to other religion of the world. You have to underline the answer on the page number which is mentioned in the slide. Now the question number 7. Give an account of the rights Islam guaranteed for the women. On the page number 123, 124 and 125. And the answer is started from men and women are the two wheels to from female half of the society. And now the question number 8. That the what strategy has been adopted for the women participation in national affairs under devolution plan? At the page number 125 to 126 and 127. And the answer is started from Chief of the Army Staff to nation building on the other. Question number 9. Write an essay on Be Pakistani and By Pakistani at the page number 121 to 122. Answer is started. You have to underline the answer at the page number which is mentioned. And the answer is history bears evidence to economically strong and stable. Now the question number 10. Highlight the social characteristics of the Pakistan with reference to family life and social customs. At the page number 120 to 21. Answer is joint family system is practiced to relatives for 3 days. That's all about the exercise of the chapter number 6. I hope you will underline all the answer of the short question as well as the long question on, as well as in the long question on the mentioned page. This is all about my lecture. Thank you.